Tired of laggy screen recordings and limited features? Here's the secret: professional streamers don't use basic screen recorders. They use OBS Studio, and it's completely free. Let's install it right now. Launch your favorite browser, then search for OBS Download. So, click the first result from obsproject.com. That's the official website. Don't download from anywhere else. You'll see download options laid out for different systems. Since you're on Windows 10, click on Download Installer button right here. The file will start downloading immediately. Just be patient until the download completes. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder. And then, find the OBS Studio installer file and double-click on it. You'll see the OBS Setup wizard appear. So, click on Next to continue. The license agreement appears. Feel free to read through it, then click on Next. Here's where OBS will be installed, usually in Program Files. The default location works perfectly, so click on Install. The installation process will begin, so be patient until complete. When installation completes, make sure Launch OBS Studio is checked, then click on Finish. OBS launches with the Auto Configuration wizard. This is actually helpful. OBS gives you 3 choices: optimize for streaming with recording on the side, optimize purely for recording, or just use the virtual camera feature. Most of you will want the second option, optimize just for recording, perfect for making YouTube videos, tutorials, or gameplay content. For this tutorial, I'll select the recording option, then click on Next. Here's the video settings page. The video settings page shows your base canvas resolution and frame rate. Choose your computer's resolution from the drop-down. For smoother footage, you can bump the FPS up to 60, but 30 works great for most recordings. Then, click on Next. The configuration wizard shows final results with your optimized settings. So, click on Apply Settings to confirm. You're now in the main OBS interface. Don't worry about that black preview window. We haven't added any sources yet, so there's nothing to display. Look at the Sources box at the bottom. Click the plus icon. You'll see a menu of capture options. For recording your screen, select Display Capture. A window pops up asking you to name it. You can leave it as Display Capture or rename it to something like My Screen. Then, click OK. In Display drop-down, select your monitor. Your screen instantly appears in the preview, so click on OK button. Perfect! OBS Studio is now installed and ready to use on Windows 10. To record your screen, just click on Start Recording button on the right side. So, OBS will capture everything happening on your screen. To stop recording, just click Stop Recording button. Recordings are saved to your videos folder by default. OBS Studio is installed and ready to record on Windows 10. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe for more fast tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.